Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Prices are getting better and better. It's a little bit like Christmas or birthday or whatever, because we're finally going to reach here the target area that I've been talking about since November, and it looked difficult, it looked painful. Polkadot not moving here throughout December and January at all, not moving throughout February. But finally, in this last wave down, we are getting closer here to this area, sitting between $6 pretty much and $10.70. That is the 88.7% Fibonacci level and the 78.6. Both of these are ideal target levels to, for the price to have a chance to complete the correction and to start a reversal and go to new all-time highs. But at the moment we are not yet there. We are at $12, so pretty much need to get to at least $10.70, and I think we have no problems to get there, especially as we even dropped out of that descending wedge to the downside. I mean, the daily candle hasn't closed yet, but when you have made such a breakdown, and honestly we have already come down here to 11.85 today, and we already, as we speak, go below $12, so quite exciting, quite good. And to be fair, I mean, we talked about these levels when Polkadot was like $30 or more, and from that point of view I think it's already worked out pretty well. And what I really try to communicate on this channel is that the Elliott wave method is really worth learning. I mean, it's more of advanced stuff, and it has, in my view, limited use in the very short time frames, but looking at sort of a medium term, longer term target, it's amazing, and it works. And I think this channel has been the proof, for various altcoins, and it's amazing. It's a lot of people didn't believe that we would get there still, but I did. And you need to stay consistent. It is hard because the emotions play a role. The emotions play with you during these moves here. During these moves, when it's starting to go up, it's always difficult, and it's difficult to detect corrective moves and impulsive moves. But I can't really say more. Soon we are going to get there, and then job is fulfilled. We've reached the target area. It is very important for Polkadot to get to this area, ideally even lower than $10.71, because this is the low of the wave A. To be honest, if I zoom in here, it might even be a bit lower, because ideally we want to get, I guess it's not too important, but I guess ideally we want to even get to $10.36. That is here the absolute low of the wave back in June, that was, I think, or July. Let me just add that line. No, that was in July, the absolute low, and that is a little bit below the 78.6% level. Overall, because it's only a wick, I don't think it will be a disaster if we don't exactly get down to that level, and if we only get to the 78.6, but ideally we want to get a little bit lower. So let me just align that target area actually with the 78.6% level, and this is what we've been waiting for. And so far the chart doesn't make any impression it would slow down the downtrend. It's actually going a little bit faster than I expected myself, which is fine. I've always said if it goes faster, that correction, I think most people will be happy, because on this channel we've been talking about it. It should have prepared you for these target areas and for these prices. And I mean, nobody really wants to have a long and windy and up and down corrective move, right? Most people really want it to be over very soon, and the faster we go down, the better. We're going down as we speak, 11.91. What a sell-off day in anticipation of what happens when the US markets open, I guess. So really can't tell you anymore, right? I think we are going to see a reaction at the 78.6% Fibonacci level. That will be next support, and that is at 10.71. And then I think there will be some more support around $10.30, that absolute low of the wave A. And then, I mean, when we're in the target area, I guess we can expect here some support around that area here from January 21. I'll zoom in a little bit. There was a bit of an area of trade. So pretty much here around that area, there's probably where there's most activity. You would expect some support around the $9 mark, I guess. And really that swing low was here around $8.20. But the thing is, when we are finally in the target area, these are, in my opinion, amazing prices considering where we actually come from. And to finish it off, what is the price target for the next larger wave up. I still have it on the chart, but I will recalculate it just now because it depends on how far the wave actually comes down. And we're gonna start here. It's not 100% super accurate, but I'll give it a quick overview here. To the wave 1, coming down to the wave 2, and let's assume we really go to the lowest point here around just $6. Then the next wave up should get to at least the 1.618 Fibonacci extension at $87. So somewhere here, the next larger wave up, when the correction is finished, that should take us to at least $87, and could even reach here higher levels, right, depending on how extended the next wave will be. Even here $137 I wouldn't rule out, but 87 would be the minimum. And if we drop a little bit lower, then also here for Polkadot we will have a 10x, which is amazing. So that is currently how I see it. I can't tell you how long that takes though. It could really drag out a little bit longer, but again, the sooner it's over the better. So but we could spend weeks or even months in this target area. I have to be very honest, I have to prepare you for that. It can really take a while. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content as well, then check out the channel membership for access to the Telegram live chat, the Discord server, weekly live streams, 1 weekly live stream, my buy and sell orders. And also, if you're interested in that, check out my trading course I'm currently uploading to the website morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.